So today we are taking a look and getting a ride in this incredible BMW M4.
It's a 2016 BMW M4 F82. It was bought as an executive package and it's pretty much down to a competition now. So it's stage 2 tuned, aftermarket exhaust. It's been lowered, wheels and tires, carbon fiber all the way around. People always ask like horsepower. So at 93, it'll push like 575 horsepower. Yep.
Okay. What did like stock? What was the horsepower?
I think it's 425.
Okay.
3.8 straight 6 turbocharged. I guess that's pretty much the gist of the car.
Sweet. Well, shall we go on a ride?
Sure.
I'm glad you daily it. Some people have cars like this and they just store it in the garage.
Well,
they
I
don't
try
drive
not to, like I have already so many, I just got that TRX this fall and I have so many miles on it that I'm trying to drive this more.
Is the TRX pretty fun to drive too though? It's got some pickup, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, I still wonder what's faster actually.
Really? Holy crap.
Yeah, I mean, I'm guessing the TRX takes us off the line for a second because it's four-wheel drive. I was spinning right there. I was sliding. So, I mean, rear-wheel drive, it's fun, but the TRX will probably take it out of the dig. And then this was smoking probably. Makes you like cavitate or something. I think it's because do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
like,
I can
the
feel
car
it.
Shakes a little bit.
Okay, yep.
I don't love it, but I think it's just when you have the top up, it doesn't do it. Actually, it comes with this little thing you can put to close like a little air tunnel.
Oh, okay.
Like, and then it gets rid of it too.
Huh. I've only ever rode another convertible like once. It was like a...
Oh, it's fun. I only take this because it's rear wheel drive. I only take this car on the summer anyway, so I kind of wanted one. I've never owned a convertible. Sounds like fun, right?
Yeah.
So we'll go paddle shifters, M2 only.
That's awesome.
So yeah, M2, you can't, automatic shifting, you will not shift itself. There's no even safety. No, you have to do it.
Oh my.
But that's the only way you get the exhaust to open up all the way up.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's faster in automatic, but it's more fun.
Right.
I usually don't daily like this. It's just loud.
Yeah.
Like when we get on it, and then when you slow down and downshift, it's loud.
I bet.
You serious?
Oh my gosh. Does it shoot flames?
I don't know. I haven't like.
I bet it does if it sounds
probably
like
does if it's dark out. Never tested it out.
Yeah, that's gotta shoot flames. That's so loud.
I know. That's why I don't drive it though.
Yeah.